This is a demo of Virsec's application discovery feature. In this demo, right now you can see the CMS console that has been set up. We also have a Virsec probe that has been deployed to a server. In this specific demo instance, a Java 8 application was found. I can click over here to see the IP addresses associated with it. So in this scenario, we found one IP address that has this Java 8 application. To see more details about this Java 8 application, we can drill down into what is here and set the security policies. So here I'm looking at the process that was found in the server. So this Java process has this very specific application deployment folder with this startup file path. We also found it's on a Tomcat server. To enable a vulnerability, just click the ones that you want to enable. I'm going to enable SQL injection protection on block protect mode, and I save the security policy. Done. One more demo environment we have set up. This one has a number of .NET applications that were discovered. I'll look at the one on the top and see the associated IP addresses. This application has 3 IP addresses that were found with this application. Again, we can drill down into the details of this application and see what is under the covers. This is a .NET application found at this deployment folder on the servers. And again, we can click the appropriate or all protections that we would like to enable. As soon as this is saved, the security policy will be persisted to the application server, and the user simply needs to restart the application the first time a security policy is enabled for this security policy to be enacted. And this is the end of the demo. Thank you.